Luigi is about to scare you by making a very weird noise with his mouth. Please do not skip ahead to see when the jump scare is.
Do not skip ahead. 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 If you are still alive, then congratulations for surviving this jump scare. Please stay tuned to this channel to experience a non-violence video featuring our new character Luke. The jump scare is over, so you are seriously allowed to stop watching this video now if you'd like. Why are you still here? You have only a few seconds to turn off this video before punishment comes, and that was aimed at people who skip ahead.